Welcome to all. This is Tanmay Software Institute and I am Sonali. Today we are going to see how to download the VS Code and how to set up the Java for the VS Code. Okay, so here I have prepared some steps which will help you to perform all these operations. The first one is download and install the VS Code. After that we need to download and install the JDK. We not only install the JDK but we have to set up the path in environment variable. Then after that we have to verify whether the Java is installed in our system or not. So for that purpose we will take the help of command prompt and perform the some command, and based on that we will verify whether the Java is installed or not. After that we need to install the some Java packages or extension for the VS Code, which are very important, and after doing all the setups we will run a simple Java program. So guys, let's start. For that you have to first open the browser. Then here first of all just write down VS Code download, and here you have to select the first options that is in official website of the Visual Studio Code. Okay, after that it looks like this. So here we are going to install the VS Code for the Windows 11. So you have to select this option, okay, for Windows 11. Actually I have already installed the VS Code in my system, so I'm not going to install this right now. But if you want to install it and if you want to see the video for that, then you can just watch my previous video. The previous video link is already I have mentioned in the description box. Okay, so after that the next step is we need to download the JDK. So you have to just write down download the JDK for Windows, and you have to select the first link, which is the official website of the Oracle where we can download the JDK. After that this official website is look like this. Okay, and here what we have to do, we have to download the JDK, but the JDK is available for the different operating system as well, for the Linux, Mac OS and Windows, but today I'm going to download the JDK for Windows. So here we need to select 64 installer and we have to just click here. So downloading of the JDK is start. It will take a time, just be with me. We will wait. Now it is near about to done. Okay. Okay, here you can see already JDK 21 is downloaded. Now we have to install it on our system. So here you have to just click on yes button. Then the installation process is going on. Yes. So here just click on the next, and the installation is started now. Just wait. Guys, these are a very simple step, and if you have found any problem with this setup, please comment me, so I will help you. So you have to just click on close button. So JDK is now successfully installed in our system, but we have to set up the path for it. Then and then only it is worked in our system. So how to set up the path? We have to just go this PC, C drive, here program files, here you can say the Java, JDK 21 and path of the bin. What we have to do, we have to just click here, copy this path. Now go to the environment variable. So how to go to the environment variable? Just go to the setting, okay, here you can write advanced system setting. Okay, here you can see environment variable is there. Okay, then here there are two options, user variable for ASUS or system variable. So we need to paste this path into the system variable. So you have to just click on the path, edit, new, copy, paste, enter, and just click on OK, OK, and OK button. Now the third step is what? We need to verify whether the Java is installed in our system or not. Just go to the command prompt, type here Java hyphen version, which shows you which version of the Java is installed. Yes, now JDK 21 already now we downloaded it, so it is installed now. Okay, so next step is what we have to do. We have to just open the browser and search for VS Code Java extension pack download, or we can say Java extension for Visual Studio Code. So here the second link you can see the which is in Visual Studio Code, that is an official website where we will get the Java extension for VS Code. We have to just click right click and open in a new link in a new tab. So here I already opened it, so for the easiest purpose. So okay, so here you can see it is in right hand side just Java, and here you can see the install the extension pack for the Java. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to just click on the this button, open Visual Studio, but allow code to open. Okay, actually I already installed the Java extension packages for the VS Code, so that's why it gives me the direct command to open the Visual Code. Okay, but I don't want to this, so you have to just click on and install the all extensions required for the Java package. Okay, so now what is the next step? So now I have to create a folder in which I want to store all my Java projects. So what should you do? So go to the data, that is D drive. This is my D drive. Okay, so create a new folder here. So just I give the name. Okay, my folder is created, but I have to rename it. So show more option and just click on rename it, and you have to just type Java code. For example, this is my project, okay, or where or folder where I will store all the Java files. So just open it and just right click on this and just go with show more option, and here you can see open with code. You have to just select this, so this folder is automatically open in a VS Code. Now here you can see, so Java code, my folder is visible here. Now what is the next step? Okay, so first of all you need to click on the extension. So required extension you need to run this, first of all code runner. So this one you need to install. I already installed it. So you have to just click the install button. So it will get installed. And then after that, the second extensions required for this, that is nothing but then Java. So here I also already installed the Java. So you have to just select this and install it. Okay. So these all are the required steps. Now go to this here, click on the new file, and let's say first give the name for the first file, and my first file is demo1.java. Remember here .java, it is a Java extension, and for that you must have to provide the Java extension. So your file name .java, this is the way to create a new file for the Java. Okay, just press enter. So here the demo1.java, the file will open here. For editing you have to write your code here. So okay, I just write a code, just say public class, and what is my file name? That is demo1. So guys, here you also have to remember one thing, whatever file name you have saved, the same class name you have to given. The class name in which your main function you will return, you have to give the same class name. Okay, now here you have to just type, let's say system.out.println, and here I'm going to write welcome to my software institute. Okay, Every line in Java we must have to end with the semicolon. Okay, here is an out. Okay, my mistake. Okay, now this is a code. So how to run it? See, there is an option run Java. Okay, you can also run from here. Welcome to Tanmay Software Institute. You can see the output here. The another way to preferred, that is I am preferred actually to run the Java code. I just click on the right click on here and select open in integrated terminal. So now I'll show you how to run a Java code in terminal also. So there are two steps. The first one is a compile and second one is a run. So how to compile a Java code? So there is a command, that is Java C file name. My file name is what? Demo1 dot extension, that is Java. Okay, if I will have any error, then this will show here the error regarding to this code, but my code doesn't have any error, so it's compiled successfully. And when it compiles successfully, you can see here the class file is generated. Remember student, if your code is not successfully compiled, your class file is not generated up to this. Okay, so here my class file is generated, so I can sure that there is a no error in my code, and now I am available to it is available to run. So how to run the Java code? You have to just type Java and my file name without extension. Just I have typed here to run the Java code, Java demo. Listen everyone, the first step is to compile, and what command you have to write? Java C file name dot Java, the complete path you have, complete file name with extension you have to given. But for the Java, to run the Java code, you have to just type Java and only the file name. Here you need not to provide the extension, and just press enter. So definitely you will get an output, that is welcome to Tanmay Software Institute. Thank you everyone for watching the video, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubt, anything you want to else from expecting from my side, please comment me. Thank you. Bye bye. Good day.